How many times have you sat down to create a to-do list only to feel overwhelmed by the number of tasks on it? I used to feel the same until I learned about the 1-3-5 rule to hack my productivity. This simple and effective technique can help you create to-do lists that you can actually finish. So what is the 1-3-5 rule? The 1-3-5 rule is insanely simple. To stay productive at work, write down 9 tasks that you want to accomplish before the day is over. That includes 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 small tasks. That's it. You can end this video here. But wait, considering how simple this rule is, you might wonder why this rule works and how to use it. Let's discuss the why first. Well, when crafting a simple to-do list, people tend to overestimate how much they can accomplish during a day. As a result, 41% of the items on the list never gets accomplished. On the other hand, when you use the 1-3-5 productivity hack, you tend to keep things under control by scheduling limited number of tasks for the day, while still making progress on your big project, completing small tasks, and also taking care of the daily responsibilities that you might have. And here's the secret. This to-do list strategy has been tried by a lot of procrastinators and has increased their productivity by 90%. So you might want to consider trying this productivity rule. Here's how to use the 1-3-5 method. But before that, just press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to never miss any of my value-packed video on productivity and self-improvement to help you work and live better. How to use the 1-3-5 rule. Step 1, list all your tasks for the week. At the beginning of each week, write down everything that you want to get done. This step is more like a brain dump, so write everything that comes to your mind that needs to be done this week. While you create your list, write your tasks clearly. Instead of writing read 10 pages from the book Mastery. Be specific. You can use this rule not only for work but for organizing your entire day. And even if you end up deciding to use this to-do list strategy only for work, you can still add a couple of small personal tasks like pick up groceries from Walmart or call a friend to get small tasks done during your productive breaks. Step 2, prioritize the list. Once you've jotted down everything that you want to get done during the week, it's time to prioritize. Write A across all the tasks that are important to you. Tasks that are needle moving for you, that will bring you result and are also aligned to your long-term goals. For me, these are usually writing script or editing and shooting videos, as well as learning and experimenting something new. While write C across all the not important tasks. These are more like chores, laundry or cleaning the house, also workout or getting the car washed. And all the other tasks are most likely your medium tasks, so write B across them. For me, these are like responding to emails or creating social media posts and stories, or even scheduling the videos. You get the point. Usually, since my week looks more or less the same and I have a lot of repeating tasks, my major task is already pre-decided in my calendar. So I write down B or C across all the other tasks that I need to finish during the week. If needed, you can also prioritize based on time. If your task takes 3 hours or more to be completed, that's your major task. If it takes 1 or 2 hours to be done, that's your medium task. And if it takes 30 minutes to an hour to be done, it's your small task. However, when you assign time, make sure you assign the right amount of time to your each task and be aware of Parkinson's law. Basically, don't let the assigned time or deadline let you procrastinate and fill your time with low tasks or trivial matters. Step 3. Assign tasks for each day. Now that you have grouped all the tasks together, write down your to-do list with 1 major task, 3 medium tasks, and 5 minor tasks. You can either plan your to-do list for the entire week, or if needed, you can write your list each day before going to bed. Personally, I schedule mine for the entire week on the Sunday, and every morning check if they're still relevant, and if needed, I make necessary changes. To create your to-do list, you can use the 1-3-5 list website that I have linked in the description box below that is specifically made for this purpose. Or you can also use a calendar or an old school pen and paper. And lastly, things to keep in mind while you use the 1-3-5 rule to get more done. But before that, If you're finding this video valuable, smash that like button and show some love. First, make sure to tackle the most important task first and don't waste your time on trivial tasks. Second, it's okay if you could not complete all the 9 tasks. If you need to carry over a task to the next day, make sure it's one of the 5 small tasks. Third, during the week as new project or task comes up, immediately write it down in the next week task, unless it must be done this week. And lastly, take break while you work on the major task. Using the 1-3-5 rule does not mean that you have to be productive every second and every minute of the day. Make time for your mind to rest. This short sprint method is the foundation of productivity system called Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes without interruption, followed by a 5-minute break. Now that you have mastered the art of creating your to-do list using the 1-3-5 rule, you can work on the most important task and get through your to-do list feeling accomplished. And once you are done, you can spend time with your friends and family doing what you love, get out of your hustle mode, and avoid the feeling of not getting enough done. Watch this video next to learn in depth about Pomodoro technique, the most effective productivity method to get things done without feeling overwhelmed or burnout. I'll see you there.